Okay, I'm going to show you how to roll a bead on an aluminum intake tube. This is a 4-inch tube for my intercooler. Or this is actually for my air filter, but you can do this on intercooler piping also. All you need is a set of wire crimpers, and we're going to do it the indent side. The side that sticks down is going to be on the inside of the tube. You're just going to stick the tube the whole way in there, and only do about a half crimp the first time around, a little at a time, just the width of the crimpers each bite. You'll go the whole way around, and then you'll do it once more with a full squeeze. And I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. Okay, here's the finished product. Took about 3 minutes to do by hand. And I've done these and have made 20 pounds of boost and silicone couplers with simple T-bolt clamps. Hold on tight. I've never had one blow off. Let me know what you think.